A very warm good afternoon to everyone. Today, I, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at Fairgaze, is privileged to be present in 7th Global Film Tourism Conclave organized by PhD CCI, celebrating its 120 years. And it's my honor to be sitting alongside Ms. Shruti Rajkumar, who is the Vice President of India Cinema Hub, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
It's our honor to have your gracious presence here, and we would like to know from you about PhD CCI's today's initiative.
I think it's wonderful to have initiatives like this which bring industry, filmmakers, film tourism, film commission heads, everyone together under one roof. It always helps the ministry understand what the issues faced by the industry are, for the industry to understand what are the initiatives that different departments have.
Right.
And it's only because of associations like PhD CCI that it's possible, and facilitating that and bringing everyone together under one roof is only because of the efforts that they're making. And I think the minute everyone is under one roof is when dialogue truly starts.
Yeah.
And that's the only way that we can find solutions and be one in unison and get rolling on some fantastic projects that we can do together.
Definitely. So, ma'am, you just right now said that bringing everyone under one roof. So, we want to know about how films tourism is also helping in education, especially students, how they're opening doors, into several careers which we don't know, or maybe the parents are also unaware about.
I think most people have an understanding of media industry as being just acting or perhaps just direction or just scripting.
Right.
But the fact of the matter is that the industry is so much more faceted than it being just linear, especially in today's world. There is, animation, there is VFX. Within those, you can take a specialization that is you. Within their scripting, there is, you can be a consultant on just perhaps developing content. But the fact of the matter is that it's the creative economy, and it is at the strength that we see today is only because of the fact that we have some fantastic talent, which I think all of it also stems from the fact that we are in India has a rich oral storytelling heritage, which means we are already in a position where we have the best stories, that we've heard stories that our grandparents have told us. And now we're visual people, so we are just in a great position to be able to tell these stories. Plus, we're talented, and everything is just working in our favor. I understand the fear that most parents have when it comes to media. Is it secure? Is it stable? Is it a viable career option? But I think, if anything, if you see around us, if it's taught us anything, is that if you have the talent, you have a good story to tell, the world is your oyster, and you can literally pick up any stream within that. It can be as minute as just perhaps art direction, or it can be like costume. It's anything. You can pick that up, and it has a story to be told, and you can excel in it if you have the talent, of course. And backing and support is so important, and which is where parents play such an important role to tell them that this is something that you can choose, and we have we're backing you. Plus, there are so many initiatives that are being taken by the government, right? There's a National Center of Excellence. There's a lot of skill development that's being done by the ministry, and the objective throughout is for us to catch that talent at a very nascent stage and promote it and support it, so that the students as well, once they go out in the actual work world, they are a lot more confident than perhaps they were when they started off.
True. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your benign presence today. You are really inspiring and amazing.
Oh gosh, thank you so much.